Hi! In this video I would like to show you how you can create a custom backup plan in gitprotect.io for your Git repository backup. Log into your gitprotect.io console, and to manage backup plans you need to go to the Plans tab on the left side panel. The site with the list of all available backup plans will be displayed. To add a new one, click Add Plan at the top of the screen. This will open a backup plan creator, which I will take you through step by step. The first segment allows you to set up a custom name for the backup plan you're about to create. I will name my first backup plan. The next thing to set up answers the question how to protect. In our case, we are protecting our Git repositories. So let's choose Git. Then you can choose which repositories you want to protect. You can choose to protect all of them or choose specific ones within your organization. If you choose to protect all repositories and you add a new one into your organization, it will be automatically added to the backup plan. I choose to protect all of my repositories. The next step is to choose which data to protect. gitprotect.io always protects the repositories, but you can choose whether you want to include the metadata, like issues, pull requests, actions, etc. or not. I want to protect the metadata as well. After that, you need to choose where your backup will be stored. We will talk about storage and how to add new ones in another tutorial, to which link you will find in the card in the upper right corner or in the description down below. For now, I will choose the cloud storage provided by Zopro. The last thing you need to set up is when you want the backup to be performed. The first thing you can choose is what type of schedule you want to enroll. You can choose between basic, which works like first in first out queue, or the GFS scheme. This is a separate tutorial about the backup schemes in gitprotect.io, in the card in the upper right corner or in the link in the description down below. For now, let's choose the basic schedule. Then you can choose when you want to perform a full copy and incremental one. You can perform each type of copy monthly, weekly, daily, or hourly. In the other settings sections, you can find the setup for backup windows, tasks balancing, and suspension of the backup operation. More information about those settings and other advanced features of gitprotect.io you will find in the another tutorial. Link will be in the card in the upper right corner and in the description down below. Here you can also set up retention. You can choose for how long the backup will be stored. You can keep the files infinitely, by time, or by the number of copies. Click Save and you are ready to launch your custom backup plan. You can either save the plan or save and run it, which will automatically start the protection of chosen repositories. You have successfully created your own custom backup plan with gitprotect.io.